Now that we have learned about if statement, we're going to see what happens if the condition inside the if statement is incorrect. In another word, it is false or evaluated to false. We tested with t, and as you see, t was not here, but it didn't do anything because here this System.out println only works if the condition is true. For that, we can write something called an else statement. So else, and here again I'm using a curly braces to mention that, or to say Java that I'm going to have more than one statement. Or even if I have only one statement, as you see here, it is always recommended to use curly braces. It's going to be safer and it's going to be more accurate to do that because it's going to avoid maybe some future mistakes. So here we said if the secret expression, which in this example is Java programming is fun, contains that character that entered by the user, print correct. What if it's not correct? So simply I can write here System.out println incorrect. So if this condition evaluates to true, do this stuff here, which is println the correct message. Otherwise, if this is not true, so it's going to go to the else statement and it's going to print incorrect. So let's run our program one more time and test it with two different characters. Once, for example, with the character P, and once with the character T, and see the difference between the result. So I'm going to run the file. This time I'm going to press P, which exists in the secret expression, and as you see it says correct. I'm going to run the program one more time, and I'm going to press T this time, and as you see here it says incorrect. So that means that it works properly. So far we were able to write a complete if-else statement. If something is correct, do something here, else if it's not correct, do something else, as we did here. So the if statement, the if-else statement can be expanded. We can, for example, have if something is true, do something else. If something else is true, do something else, and so on. So that's what we call it multi-branch if-else statement. It means that we can have more than one if. For example, if your age is less than 10, you do something. If your age is between 10 and 20, something else. If your age between 20 and 30, something else, and else, do something else. As you see, there are multi-branch if-else statement. So we're going to learn about different or the multi-branch if statement as well.